Hello guys, welcome back again to Harvard Mathematics. Today we'll be looking at calculus part 2. As we did calculus part 1 already, I invite you all to go and watch it. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, share and comment. So let's proceed. So today, as I said earlier, we'll be looking at calculus part 2. That will be limits involving infinity. So we say limits involving infinity has no end. So in this case, we will have to always divide by the one with the highest exponent. So let's proceed. So write our solution. Write our solution. Write our solution. So now, let's take the first one and see where we do justice to it. So this is lim of 5x squared minus 1 all over 2x squared plus 1. I get close. As x approaches infinity. So of course, if you can remember my first video, that was calculus part 1. That one we said x approaches, that one mostly it was x approaches to 2, 3, any number. But here you can see that x approaches to what? Infinity. So this one, what we will do is, we will divide by the one with the highest exponent. And that's what we will be doing. So let's proceed. So this will be equal to lim of bracket, of course, we divide by the highest exponent, and when you look at here, x exponent 2 is the highest exponent, that's x squared, the highest exponent, the 2 here is the highest exponent, so we'll be dividing all of them by 2. Now, so here will be 5x squared over 2, that will be over x squared minus 1 over x squared all over 2x squared over x squared plus 1 over x squared. Of course, so this is how it will be. So here, as x approaches to what? Infinity. So now you can see that here, this x will go away with this x, leaving only 5. And here too, it will still be 1 over x squared. Then here too, x squared will go away with x squared, leaving only 2. Then here will still remain 1 over x squared. So let's proceed. So this will be equal to, because we have lim of bracket, x squared will go away with x squared, leaving 5 minus, of course, this will still remain 1 over x squared all over. Then here too, we have this, so s also go away, this leaving only 2, so we have 2, and here to stay what? Plus 1 over x squared. Let's make a progress. So here the rule now, and remember here, as x approaches to what? Infinity. Remember the rule says that when you divide and it's still the x is still there, that side will tend to 0. So therefore we'll have here to be equal to, that will be equal to, we'll have 5 minus, remember this one will tend to 0, all over here 2, that will be 2, also plus 0. Now we equal to 5 over 2. And of course this one, this improper fraction, so we can therefore write it as what? 2 whole number 1 over 2. Therefore this is our answer for that one. And then let's look at the number 2. Let's look at the number 2. That's the II. So II, we have it as lim of 7x over x minus 4 x minus 4 and then bracket close. As x approaches to infinity, so this will do the same. This will also be equal to half limit of 7x all over x all over, we have that. Remember, the highest exponent here is x is exponent 1, so we divide all by x. Here we x over x minus 4 over x, close our bracket, and as x approaches to infinity, so here x will take away with this x will go here, and that'll be 1 in here. Remember, it will tend to 0, so this will be equal to limit of, we'll have 7 over, here will be 1 minus 4 over x, and as x approaches to infinity. So now we will have it as, so here will now be, as x approaches to infinity, so here will now be 7 all over 1 minus, remember here is 4 over x, so that will tend to what? 0, minus 0. So this will go to 7 over 1, and of course this will be equal to 1 for sure. All right, so shall we take the last one? So the last one we have it as the third one. We have it as limit of 2x cube, of course, minus 7x plus 3 all over half x cube plus 2. So here, as x approaches to infinity, so there we also do the same. When you look at this one, we have x here, we have x cube here. When you look at, we said always divide by the highest exponent. So here, the highest exponent here is what? X cube. So we divide all the terms by x cube. Remember, terms are always separated by the operations. That will be subtraction, addition, and then maybe probably equal sign. But it's rather unfortunate that here we don't have any equal sign. But when you take multiplication, for instance, multiplication doesn't bring a term. It doesn't separate something like term. Multiplication that multiplies, so that one is not part. So here we divide all the terms by x exponent 3. That's x cube. So this will be equal to limit of, this will be 2x cube all over x cube minus 7x all over x cube plus 3 over x cube all over, we have x cube all over x cube plus 2 over x cube. Bracket will close, and as x approaches to infinity, so here this will go away, this leaving only 2, and here remember x will go here 1 and go here, leaving x squared, and here 2, it will still be 3 over x cube, which I told you earlier to tend to 0. Here 2 x cube divided by x cube will be 1, and here 2 tend to 0. So this will now be equal to limit of, we have 2 minus 7 over x squared plus 3 over x cube all over, we have 1 plus 2 over x cube. All right, so you can see also x will be approaching to infinity. So now here, as you can see, so wherever you still have your variable x there, that side will tend to 0. So this will now be equal to 2 minus, remember this one tend to 0, plus this one to 10 to that be another 0 all over here. So you can see that be 1 plus here to 10 to what 0 0. So this will now be equal to 2 minus this minus 0 plus 0 will give you 2. 1 over 1 plus 0 will give you 1. So therefore 1 over 2 over 1, that's 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2. So therefore our limit of this particular function is equal to 2. Alright. So can we make a proceed? Let's solve the last one. Or we can have another one like lim of, that will be the third one, the fourth one rather. Now be lim of 3x exponent 4 plus 5x plus 6x square all over 4x plus 4x exponent 4 plus 3x cube as x approaches to infinity. So remember here to do the same, we divide by the highest exponent. So here will be equal to lim of our bracket. Here will be 2x exponent 4 all over x exponent 4 plus 5x all over x exponent 4 plus 6x squared all over x exponent 4, all divided by, remember this one, 4x exponent 4 all over x exponent 4 plus 5x, rather 3x squared cube all over x exponent 4. And as x approaches to infinity, so this will be equal to, here exponent 4 cancel exponent 4, leaving only 2. Of course that will be lim of, here will now be 2, and here 2, x will go here 1 and go here, still leaving x cube, so that will be plus 5 over x cube plus here 2, x square will go here 1 and go here, still leaving x square, so that will be 6 over x square, all divided by here, this will cancel this, that x is going to cancel this, we're leaving only 4, so that will be 4 plus here x cube will go here, leaving only x, so that will be plus 3 over x. Of course we are almost there, and as x approaches to infinity, we are almost there. Alright, so this will now be equal to, wherever I told you, wherever you still see the variable there, you now put what, 0 there. That will now be, you now put 0 in place of that one. So now here will now be equal to 2 plus 0 all over 4 plus 0. Remember here is 3 over x, so that will tend to 0. 6 over x squared will tend to 0. 5 over x cubed will tend to 0. So this will now be equal to 2 plus 0 will give you 2 all over the 4 plus 0 will give you 4. And of course 2 over 4 will give you 1 over 2, and then 1 over 2, that's what, half, or in decimal that will be 0.5 in short. So thank you for watching Albert Mathematics. I'm much grateful. I pray you understand this one. So if you don't get anything, if you are a little bit confused, you can go through my videos, start from the beginning, that's calculus part 1, watch very well. I am here to serve you very well. I am here to make you understand calculus. I will take it part by part, make sure you get a detailed understanding of calculus. Thank you. See you in my next video.